Hey, JP here. I was in the shop today doing a little Atmo hacking, or atmospheric hacking, and I ended up with a little bit of leftover liquid nitrogen. Now, I'm a bit of a balloon guy, so I thought I would dunk a little balloon in the liquid N2 and watch what happens. The balloon doesn't provide any insulation, so the liquid nitrogen immediately starts to liquefy the nitrogen and oxygen that's inside the balloon. The atmosphere outside the balloon then crushes it. I love the snaps and crackles. The atmosphere can be tough stuff. Once outside the N2 bath, the little balloon warms up and pushes back against the atmosphere, and is as good as new. Well, almost. That was the most fun I've had in a very long day of testing. I always say, if you're not having fun with your space program, you're doing it wrong. Thank you for watching.